All right, one of the best things about spring, which is finally here, are the wonderful veggies. I'm going to show you how to make buttered peas with fresh herbs. I could sit and eat the entire batch all by myself. They're that good. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. All right, here we go. This one is so fast. It's kind of ridiculous. Okay, so in my little saucepan, I have 12 ounces, cup and a half, one small package of frozen peas. Now, this is spring, which means depending on where you're going to be living, if you've got a farmer's market, you may be able to find peas fresh. If you have fresh peas, holy crap, run, don't walk, buy them all, steam them for like a minute. That's the most delicious thing ever. I love peas. Now, if all you have are the frozen peas, don't freak out. Here's why. Peas are one of the few foods, kind of like tomatoes, where they are picked and packaged so fast that the flavor, the quality, and the nutritional value stays sky high. Now, I like frozen frozen peas, please. Not crazy about a canned pea. Not my favorite thing. I think they just get mushy. And I think the magic to peas is if you just cook them the shortest amount of time possible. So frozen peas, perfect. Fresh peas, perfect. Canned peas, not my thing. Okay, a teaspoon of kosher salt. I forgot what that is. That's a tablespoon of it. There's a tablespoon of chives. Tablespoon of fresh chives. Wow. There we go. Kids have been on spring break, which means I've lost my mind. So a tablespoon of fresh chives. Everybody's out of there. A tablespoon of fresh dill. Oops, throwing stuff around. Fresh dill. You can buy it in the blister packs if you can't find it like at a farmer's market. Talking about farmer's market, like I get to shop at them all the time. No, I don't. We have one. Haven't started back for the year. Okay. The zest from one lemon, right in there. 1 tablespoon of butter. It's only a tablespoon, although it looks like more because I made a mess when I was cutting it. So there. And last but not least, we have 2 minced green onions. But we're not putting those in yet. Alright, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water. This is going to go over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes, right? I'll meet you back here at the end of those 2 minutes. Okay, liquid has come up to a boil. Haven't even melted our butter yet. We really only want to get the butter melted, those herbs kind of to bloom in the heat. We're going to warm our peas really well all the way through. So, literally, y'all, 2 minutes. That's all we're looking for. Tell me that's not the fastest recipe you ever followed. It kind of is. I know that mushy peas are a thing in Great Britain. I'm not entirely sure I understand what a mushy pea is. I mean, if you're talking about something like a split pea, hey, I'm all with you. But I kind of don't think it is. After watching, like, the Great Family Bake Off, you know what I'm talking about? Where the families get together, and they talk about mushy peas on there. Y'all, I think they cook peas like this until they're mushy. Great Britain, what are you doing? What's wrong? Don't do that to your peas. Okay, let's see. So we had the dill, we had the other stuff, the green onion, the chives, and that lemon zest. Let me tell you something. I could eat nothing but that. That's the best thing that ever happened to a pea. Might be the best thing that ever happened to me. Yes. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.